Siyempre, alam mo naman pag si Mega yung naiyak sa harap na. Kaya tayo, affected.
Gusto kang mag-breakdown.
Siyempre, sobrang love natin si Mega. Siyempre, makakaasa kayo.
Kaya ma-all-timer ang invite dito ngayon.
We will all support Kiko, Mega. Alam mo yan. Pag ikaw naman talaga, and Marcel, thank you sa progress ko dito and Keith, di ba? Nakakatuwa. Kasi years ago, kasama natin si Mega dito sa press con ng Mano po. Pero yan, medyo mabawasan natin kalungkutan. Kasi Kiko, we're so happy. Kasi yung sa isang group chat namin, pinadala talaga na hindi na ng mga taga-showbiz na nagsusupport sa'yo dito sa Sharon. Even your batchmate sa Lasal 81, they supported you last night. Nagkaroon sila ng fundraiser. Nakalibong daw ng more than 1 million sa 8 months. Diba? Maraming mga nag-perform na. So, anong message mo? Ang ating kasi tumutulong talaga, hindi EJ, hindi alam ng iba. Ang dami mga nagpa-fundraiser for Kiko. Nakakatuwa.
Kanina pala balitaan niya sa isang group. Go ahead, Senator.
Yes, in fact, sabi ko nga, yung Batch 81 ang kasama Hills, kasama dyan, ilang mga nasa showbiz din, Jerry Mariano, who used to be Fox, Rene Martinez, who is also a theater. So they put it together to help us. Kagabi ba yun? Ito naman naman ito sa dami na hindi ko na alam siya ng galing, sa sinasabi nila sa akin, bukas ganitong oras ka magigising, ganitong oras.
You lost weight na sa akin.
Yes. But that's correct. Wala kaming malaking makinarya na tayo nakapalood sa mga ticket. Kami lang may magkakaagin. So, dahil wala kaming makinarya, we are relying on volunteerism. We're relying on support. And kami lang ata, mga kandidato, merong house to house, mga volunteers. So, sabi ko na, we are fighting, tumitingin kami, tumatakbo ako, para mga kababayan natin na naniniwala na may pag-asa pa ang Pilipinas, na naniniwala na pwedeng manalo kung lumalaban ng batas at hindi magnanakaw. At siyempre, yung subukan natin ipanalo ang tama. So, our people will be our source of inspiration. Our volunteers will be our source of strength. Sila ang magbibigay ng dagdag na tapang at dagdag na lakas para gawin natin ito sa finish line. At sila rin ang magpapanalo sa atin. So, yun. Nakakataba talaga ng puso yung ginagawa ng ating mga kababayan na tumutulong sa atin.
Ating Senator Kiko, shopping ito kami yung tinahandle last Wednesday sa Dokan Medicina. Nakakatuwa na kahit ang sinusupport nila doon, yung mga sa administration, yung event, one of my sisters, sumalang doon, nag-campaign at saka nephew yata yun, for you. Nakakatuwa na kahit yung mga nagsusupport sa administration candidates, they allow na makapag-campaign yung mga malalapit sa'yo, yung mga taong naniniwala sa'yo. Are you aware of that, Senator Kiko?
Yes, nabalitaan ko, and many other places actually. Kasi marami ang nagsasabi, hindi kami mag-straight, may mga isisingin kami. At kasama na rin siguro yun yung dati ko na silang natulungan. I have been in 3 terms in the Senate. We have probably helped over 2,000 NGOs. Kaya nga pag sinasabi walang nagawa, clearly it's a lie. So itong mga kasamahan natin, halimbawa sa Nueva Ecija, we were able to, on our Food Security Secretary, approve Pangasinan Paladapan, 2.6 billion pesos worth irrigation help 8 towns. So meron talagang nagawa. But the other point is, sino ba yung nandun sa Japan? Kasi wala yung kapatid ko. Lahat ng ikot. So meron pumunta sa Japan, Nueva Ecija, nag-house to house, kasama yung pamangkin ko. Si Anthony is now in Mindanao, together with Maricel. And they were with us in Jensan. Tapos tumuloy sila, si Maricel and Anthony went to Davao City, went to Panabo. Umiikot din sila, went to Bigos. And then my Gary will be in Cebu. And Jenny is here.
Of course.
So, Papa P will also be in Cebu. Yes. Yes. And my brothers are in either in Cavite or Parañaque or Palawan, and my sisters too. So, yeah, this was how my father also raised us. The pamilya dapat nagtutulungan, will be with each other, fighting for each other, helping one another. And that's why I guess.
Tama-tama lumabas na si Donnie Pangilinan sa PBB. I'm sure magkukunti. Kasi Shawi, nakita ko yung video na doon kay si Sasha Payne doon siya. Binibiro-biro mo pa siya kay Vel Mariano. Si Vel ba? Sasama ba?
Hindi pa. Pero busy rin. Busy.
Speaking grabe no, openly na, ang tawag ng gawa sa openly, supporting your candidate.
Vice ganda.
Can you enumerate?
Vice, Okwang, Pinky Amador, Jed Madela, Rita Avila, Isa Clausado, Darren Espanto, Encho Lee, Roby Domingo, Jonah, Parokya ni Edgar, River Maya, Ben and Ben also. They will be having a podcast on the 5th, May 5, today. Is it today?
Yes, May 5 today.
Julie, when is Ben and Ben? Today? Tonight? Yeah, they interviewed me. So, I thank them because hindi rin biro. Maraming natatakot because baka daw mabash, baka daw matron. But I thank them for their courage. Ogie and Regine. Sino pa? Baka may nakalimutan. Ann Curtis. Janine Gutierrez. Maha Salvador. Between Escalante. Nadine Ilustre also.
And we expect more in the coming 5 days kasi siguro open the meeting about
you know, hindi biro. Pero sabi ko nga, nagpapasalamat ako na sila yung matapang dahil yun ang gustong gawin ng troll sa akin. Matakot, manahimik, para sila ang mangingibabaw. Kaya sabi ko nga, ako, 6 na taon na kong tinroll, pati pamilya ko. Pero lagi kong naiisip ko, ako ang matatakot. Paano na yung ordinaryong tao na walang boses? Kung ako ay nananahimik, paano na yung mga talagang walang boses? And I keep telling myself this, I have to be strong for those who are weak. I have to speak for those who have no voice. And I have to fight for those who cannot fight. So I have to be courageous for those who are afraid. And with them coming on board, so mas marami sa atin ang hindi matapang. Nakakahawa yung takot, pero nakakahawa din yung tapang. Kaya salamat sa kanilang lahat.
Shawi, ikaw lang mismo medyo nagugulan kasi ang dami nag-approach sa'yo na saying that they're willing to support. Sino mismo nag-presenta, hindi mo kailangan naman.
Nakaka-touch. Kasi never ako lumalapat sa mga kaibigan sa showbiz. Never talaga kahit nakamag-alala. Parang if they want to help, I'm so grateful. Kasi gusto ko rin makita yung faith nila in Kiko. So when they come forward and give help, syempre nakatouch ko sobra. Lalo itong laban na ito, parang ito yung pinaka-challenging sa amin since tumakbo siya, since we started running. Ito over 20 years ago. Ito yung pinaka-mahirap. So the people that have come forward, some of them I hindi ko expect. You have to expect ko magsabi sa akin na tulong po kami. Wala. So, okay lang, at least, di ba? So, yun mga nagpanulan talaga sa akin. So, Judy Ann and Ryan pala. Naku, since the beginning.
Ito pa pala, sorry. I want to mention.
Yes, give us the chat.
OG Diaz, Mama Loy, Leo Martinez, John Arcilia, Mary Naik, Jim Paredes, Maylene Dizon, Pia Magalona, Victoria, Cookie Chua, Bayang Barrios, Angel Aquino, Oli Vicito, Jake Ejercito, Aya Fernandez, Josa Poco, DJ Suzy, Saab Magalona, Magalona, Justine Dizon, Jolina Matangal, Elmo, and Arkin Magalona, and the others I mentioned. So thank you for all their support and their bravery and their courage to stand up. Because what we're fighting for really is the future of our country. I remember meeting Chap Chap. I met him before. He's 5 years old, campaigning for him. Yeah, and then little boy. Just last night, I saw him. Yeah, and I said, "Do you know why I'm here? Do you know why I'm here? Because I'm fighting for your future. Because we can't give up on our children. Because we love our children, and we want a better future for them. So ipaglalaban natin yung mga anak natin sa buhay." Yes, si Denise. She was 2 years ago, 2022. In Boa, I met her. She's 13 now. And the moment I saw her, she started to tear up. And then she cried. Why? She campaigned so hard for us in 2022 when we Tito, and she was so hurt. And I told her, sabi ko sa kanya, I know it's painful. Sabi ko, alam ko, nasaktan ka dahil masakit yung mabigo. Pero hindi tayo dapat tumigil ng pagmamahal. Kaya natin ginawa yan, tumakbo tayo, mahal natin ang ating bansa, kaya tayo lumaban dahil gusto mo ng mas magandang kinabukasan. Pero dahil nabigo tayo, hindi ibig sabihin hindi na tayo mamamahal. We have to keep fighting for our country. We cannot give up. And that's why I'm happy. Si Tatang Nick was now 91. He's a farmer. Has been farming for the since he was 20, 70 plus years. He's still poor. From 5 hectares, isang hektare na lang ang kanyang sinasakan. Tapos, baon pa sa utang. Tatlo silang magsasaka na nakausap ko from San Simon, Pampanga. Nag-depress siya nung natalo kami 1 week. Pero nakausap ko silang tatlo before the last campaign. Tatang Nick, Tatang Mami, and Tatang Peleng. 78 years old, 84 years old, and at that time 88. And I asked them, gaano katagal na kayo nagsasaka? And all of them said, either teenager or 20 years old. Ang total number of years na sila yung nagpa-farming, combined, yung tatlo, was 186 years. 186 years na silang nagsasaka combined para pakainin ng ating mga kababayan. Pero ano ang sukli ng lipunan sa kanila? So, this is why we're fighting. We cannot give up on those who have suffered the injustice, who continue to be poor and unable to fight for themselves, who need for us to fight for them. And we cannot give up. Sorry ko na. Tuloy lang.
Thank you, Senator. Sabi ko mo sa mga group chat sa showbiz, majority talagang request to vote and support people lahat. So, gusto ko naman congratulate kayo pala. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Julie.
Thank you, EJ.
Alright, thank you. We can only entertain 2 more questions. Talagang sarap kasi as much as gusto pa natin paabahin, but I understand may time pa naman sila, but we can entertain 2 more questions. I understand Ms. Tessa, the editor of Manila Times, Tessa Ariola.